Hello everybody. It's a beautiful morning and I thank you that you don't stay outside and enjoy the mist of this morning but listen to my little lecture here. Sometimes Swiss people have very simple ideas who will work. This one is one of those. You will find it in your maps here. And these simple ideas are copied in China, in Korea, and so on. The project that I will show you is as simple as that. It has not been copied yet in China, but who knows? I will talk about this foundation, nature and economy. And what we do is we create 5,000 square meters of nature per day in urban areas. We do this for the last 15 years. When I first came upon this figure here, I couldn't believe it. And we recalculated it, and even on my way here to Bern, I recalculated once again, but it's true. These 5,000 square meters of nature are realized every day in Switzerland, and I want to show you in my presentation how we do this. That's our starting point. You compare what's wrong. On your left hand, you see a part of urban zone in Zurich. It is the site of a Swiss bank, and you will find some beasts here, birds, even rabbits live here, and it doesn't look like a bank. On the right side, you see another industrial area also in Switzerland, in the west part of Switzerland, and that's how they used to look like. They still look like this. It's grey, a little pink, even a little pink, but most of the things are grey and full of concrete. So when we started our project here, these figures were 1% and 99%. And our goal was to reach the 10%, and we almost got there. But there is still a huge potential in Switzerland to improve. So in my 20 minutes, I will talk about these three things, about the foundation and the basic idea. Then I will show you some examples of realization. And I will talk about our success. As Daniel already told you, we were founded in the year 1995. That was the European Year of Nature. And the founders were three organizations. The BAFU, then the FSKB, this is the Association of the Swiss Gravel Industry, and the VSG, this is the Association of the Swiss Gas Industry. The amazing thing here is that they are still in the founding committee and they are still working on this project. We don't have to negotiate again and again. They are very reliable partners, and we are very happy that we can work on such a steady, in such a steady way with these three organizations. We have also some sponsors, two. One is the Migros and one is the SIG. The Migros is probably the biggest food and non-food supplier in Switzerland, and the SIG is an urban water and gas supplier in Geneva. And we have 3 offices. One is in Lucerne, that's where I'm coming from. One is in Montreux, in the French-speaking part of Switzerland, and one is in Contra,